Today's topic of choice we're going to talk about is neonatology. And yes, before starting any segment, we always have a beautiful quote, and the beautiful quote is mistakes are proof. Mistakes are proof that you're trying. I recommend everyone to try to answer as much as possible because mistakes are a proof that you guys will rock the paper. Abhi chalega, yahan ka mistake, do it. Try to answer whatever you know, because if you do a wrong answer and if I correct you, you will remember. Let's start. What is the normal heart rate of a newborn? Can you please answer in the comment section? What's the beautiful heart rate of a newborn? The normal heart rate of a newborn is very okay. The normal heart rate of a newborn is 120 to 160 beats per minute. Number one. Number two, what is the normal respiratory rate of the newborn? The RR of a newborn is 40 to 60 per minute. The PDF file will be given to you tonight in the group, or maybe I think in the app it will be uploaded. Okay. The normal heart rate of a newborn is 120 to 160 beats per minute. Normal RR is 40 to 60. Cyanosis. Do you see cyanosis in a newborn? Very, very important. Yes, there is something known as acrocyanosis. There is something known as acrocyanosis. Acro means periphery and cyanosis means bluish discoloration. Acro means periphery and cyanosis means bluish discoloration. So that's what. So a newborn baby's periphery can be blue. I'll repeat again. Yes, my dear Charmi, thank you so much. This is me only, Dr. Anand. Yeah. So do you see cyanosis in a newborn? Yes. Every cyanosis in a newborn is not a congenital cyanotic heart disease, could be physiological also. Okay. So acrocyanosis could be physiological, could be physiological. Okay. मतलब जो समय के साथ अपने आप ठीक हो जाए. Yes. A baby passes stool within how many hours and urine within how many hours? According to the latest guidelines, a baby passes stool within 48 hours and urine within 24 to 30 hours. Okay. A baby passes stool within 48 hours and urine within 24 to 30 hours. कुछ भी ना याद रहे, baby passes urine and stool within 24 to 38 hours. Okay. Within 24 to 48 hours. Yeah. What is the normal weight of a newborn? We have done that. The normal weight of a newborn is 2.5 to 4 kg. What is LBW? LBW is low birth weight, less than 2.5 kg. VLBW is very low birth weight, less than 1.5 kg. And ELBW is extremely low birth weight, that is less than 1 kg. What is CFT? CFT is capillary filling time. CFT is capillary filling time, which is usually less than 3 seconds. CFT is, yes, very good, Mohit, you're right. Brahmjot Kaur, very good, my dear. So capillary filling time, yes, exactly, less than 3 seconds, you should know. What is the normal length of an umbilical cord? Very, very important. What's the normal length of the umbilical cord? Exactly. What is the normal length of a newborn? The normal length of a newborn is around 50 centimeter, right? So length of the umbilical cord also is almost same, only 50 centimeter. Okay. So two questions, same answer. The normal length of a newborn is 50 centimeter. The normal length of an umbilical cord also is 50 centimeter. What's the normal blood pressure of a baby? What is adult blood pressure? Adult ka blood pressure is 120 by 80, right? So half of 120 is 60 and half of 80 is 40. So the normal BP of a newborn baby is 60 by 40. What is the blood volume in a term baby? The blood volume in a term baby is 60 to 80 ml per kg. 60 to 80 ml per kg. और प्रीटर्म बच्चों का रिक्वायरमेंट ज्यादा होता है, so 90 to 110 ml per kg is the blood volume requirement in a preterm. What is the dose of vitamin K to a newborn? The dose of vitamin K to a newborn is 1 milligram. And what is the dose of vitamin D to a newborn? Remember, vitamin D का सिरप आता है and vitamin K का injection आता है. Vitamin D is syrup and vitamin K is injection. The dose of vitamin D is 400 international units for the term baby and 800 international units for the preterm baby, term and preterm. Okay, 400 IU in terms and 800 IU in preterms. Remember that. Okay.